In this video, we will learn how to put TikToks in reverse. So let's begin.
So the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry. First, make sure that you are connected to the internet. And once connected to the internet, simply go and open up your TikTok app. Here we go. So once the TikTok app is open, what you need to do is you need to simply go and create your video by tapping on this plus icon in the middle. This would open up your screen, and here you can simply go and make your video as you want. So once I have recorded this video, you can apply the speed, filter and beautify if you want to. Go to the next screen, and here if you want to reverse your TikTok video, simply go and tap on this effects at the bottom. So you can see effects at the bottom, tap on this. Now in the bottom you can see at the right side there's a option of time. Click on time or tap on time. Now here you can see reverse. Tap on reverse, and here you can see the video would be automatically reversed. So once you tap on reverse, the video would be reversed, and you can have a preview from here as well. Now go and tap on save at the top. Now you would be able to see a reverse video effect. So you can see a timer here that is reversing. So hope it has helped you, and you can simply go to the next and do this description, add privacy and comments and do it and other these things and post it as you want. So hope it has helped you in reversing a TikTok video on TikTok app on iPhone as well as Android. But before you go, please like